Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, everybody. My name's Zach, and in this one, we're going to talk about Cardano and ADA. Right now, we're down 90% from Cardano's all-time high, but I still have very strong conviction in ADA and the future of the Cardano ecosystem. Recently, we actually talked about this on my personal YouTube channel, that Cardano is going to have a stablecoin that is going to be, that has already been regulatory approved, if you will, and that's coming out in Q1 of 2023. You know, the other things with Cardano, they did not feel a lot of the pain after this FTX fallout because they didn't have a lot of exposure. Charles Hoskinson has been on the record talking about the FTX situation, how bad it's been for crypto, but this is why Cardano does it their own way, why they are reliant on just themselves. They don't rely on others for their success, and I think we can learn a lot from this and what Charles Hoskinson has built, much more decentralized in nature than a lot of other protocols out there. Again, so we're looking at Cardano right here at 30 cents, still a market cap over 10 billion. Volume is way up. A lot of that is selling pressure recently with ADA. And we can see here we're sitting basically at yearly lows down here right at 30 cents. I'll tell you what, we get back into the 29, 28 cent range. You know, not financial advice, obviously, here, but for me, this is just a great opportunity for ADA to acquire. You know, who knew we'd get these opportunities again? Looking into last year, where Cardano set its all-time high, we go to the all chart. Cardano was way up here, all the way up at just under $3. So it's crazy. It's about a 10x away from here, back to all-time highs with Cardano. And you know, we're looking at this. If we zoom in a little bit, you could see. Slowly but surely, we've been giving it back. We really consolidated for a long time here in the mid-40s, but slowly but surely, with all of the things going on in the crypto industry, we have reached new lows here for ADA in the year. And I still look at it as a heavy hitter, a heavy favorite when we get back into a bull run, along with Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's one of my top holdings. And, you know, in hearing Charles talk about the future of the ecosystem, how many DApps are being developed, their real-world use cases, it has given me a lot of confidence, right, in ADA. So I'm willing to wait. And I know they move slow. They don't rush anything out. They, you know, have had some delays in the past with the Seal hard fork, but I'm willing to wait here with Cardano. I still think it's one of the top projects out there that needs to be looked at when you're doing your own research and due diligence out there. And it'll be interesting to see just how low we go here with ADA. Some people were calling for 25 cents. Some of the analysts out there were getting close to those numbers. So we'll see. But wanted to bring you up to speed, give you my thoughts about ADA right now. Thank you all so much for tuning in. If you haven't checked out ClearCryptos, all of the links are down below. It is a new project that is launched recently, right around October 19th. Right now, sitting at about 4.5 cents, 5 cents. It went up to 17 cents on the launch. And then, of course, we had a lot of turmoil in the crypto markets. But this team is built of 175 plus different people from around the globe, and they're building right now in a bear market, and you definitely want to stay locked into what they're doing. They've got a bunch of strategic partnerships coming in the future. So thank you all so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video.